Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create a quick and super easy makeup look for you all, which you can do it in 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. So stay tuned, keep watching. So let's get started. The very first thing, I've already prepped my skin, but I'm going to add up my Smashbox Photo Finish Vitamin Glow. And you all are aware how much I love this product since the day it is launched. It's something which is very lightweight. It really makes your makeup application super easy, long wearing, hydrating, gives you a beautiful glow. And if you wish to know more about this product, I have made an entire video about it, so you can go check it out. I have shared the link in the description. Just simply going to massage your bed, and yes, we are ready to go. Now, as we all are going to wear mask on, these days I'm really focusing on enhancing my eyes. Otherwise I was just a lipstick person. I would just wear a lip color on and I'm ready. So now the very first thing which I'm going to start with is my eyes, and for that I'm going to use something which is very quick, very easy formulation, and it goes a long way around. I'm going to use the Beauty Eyeshadow Crayon. You can see that's like a nice deep brown shade. So I'm going to simply apply this on my eyelids. So this is something which will help me create a beautiful smoked out effect and yet good to go for your day, and blend it with a blending brush and extend a bit. Guess a little bit more. These crayons are so easy to glide on and super soft to blend as well, and gives you an instant smoky look. So roughly just applying it, taking my brush and blend it. You can do this with the powder eyeshadows as well, but what is the drawback of it, that you need to prep your eyelids and everything before you put on like a powder eyeshadow for it to stay for a longer time or to give you a desired look effect. This is something which makes it super easy and quick. Now I'm also going to use the little bit of same eyeshadow crayon underneath. I'm not taking it into the waterline, but I'm simply going to give a definition. This is great for people like me who's got very small tiny eyelids. It really makes it a corrective makeup technique for them. If not browns, you can do this with any kind of colors. You want to do blue, you want to do green, or you just want to keep it nude. But adding some color really makes a difference. You must be thinking, oh shit, this looks too black. This is not something which would like to go for. So I'm going to show you a very quick and easy technique. I'm going to take my compact powder and I'm going to use the same brush, clean it a little bit on the back of your hand, and I'm going to pat this in the center to pop it out. So this would create like a soft matte base. Again the same thing. You could see how I'm just filling in the inner side and the center of the eyelids. This is simply, we created the darker base and then we ended up a lighter color. to create a definition. Put mascara, open up your eyes a little bit. I'm using my, sorry, didn't show you. I'm using my Smashbox Superfan mascara. So I'm simply going to fan up my lashes. Now I'm going to say don't go easy on this. Load it up. Make sure you get the desired look you're looking out of your mascara. And if you wish to layer it up, you can always do that. But you could wait for a few seconds to repeat the same step. And yeah, you could see it makes a lot of difference the moment you add on to your mascara. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to prep up my skin using my Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in this shade NC41. Just going to use a brush. So this product, when you put it, looks a little powdery but sets in really well into the skin. It gives you desired coverage, and I think for me this one product is good enough to prep my skin or to do my foundation. I don't really prefer putting on so much of makeup. I'm simply going to pat it down. So as we have prepped our skin with something which is hydrating and nourishing to your skin, so your powder is not going to stay that matte. It gives you a nice natural look. And don't forget your neck. Now the next and the foremost important step, which I cannot step my house without, is my eyebrows. And for that today I'm going to use my all new favorite K-Beauty eyebrow product that's in the shade called Hazelnut. And these days I've been quite in love with this product. It stays pretty well. The color is working amazingly for my eyebrow shade. So I'm going to show you how I use my K-Beauty eyebrow pencil. So I'm simply going to draw down my shape and fill in the gaps. That's it. I'm done with my eyebrows. I'm done with my eye look. Now one thing which you must have it on, that's your lip balm. I'm using the Bobbi Brown lip tint. I love this product. I've been obsessed about this. It's so hydrating, gives you a beautiful tint onto your lips. And it's perfect to go for such soft look. And I'm literally not wearing lip colors. I'm only opting for something which is a tinted lip balm or tinted lips or something which is very light wearing on the lips, because when you have a mask on, your skin is not exposed to enough moisture. So avoid wearing something which has a drying effect. Go for something which is hydrating like a lip balm or a tinted lip balm. So now let's put a mask on and show you how this looks. If you enjoyed watching this video, if you got to learn something out of this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Also, do not forget to press on the bell icon to know when I'm posting my next video. Thank you. Bye.